All right, what's up, guys? In today's video, I want to talk about something very important. I'm going to show you how I manage my stop loss on my currently open trades. All right, welcome, guys. If you're new to the channel, you know what to do. Hit that like button and subscribe to the video if you want quick videos like this one explaining some advanced technical tools that you can use in your own tradings. And if you're a long-term follower, welcome, welcome, welcome. All right, so here we have a short trade on gold, and this is the live chart. This is a trade that currently it hit that last TP a couple of hours ago, right? And I want to show you how I manage this trade. Now, of course, it's not very often you sell here and then all of a sudden, boom, it's just going to dump. Trades like that doesn't come along very often. But what I want to talk about today is something I believe is very, very important, right? And that is managing your trades in terms of moving your stop loss when you want to take profit, right? So let's use the replay function here, and I'm kind of going to go through my thought process, right? I was looking at this shot yesterday evening and I saw this 4-hour candle just straight down dumping, taking out TP1 and TP2. So that means I'm now out of the position with 75% and I have open 25%. So I'm watching this, I'm looking at my P&L and I'm thinking, God damn, this is a pretty good trade. I might want to exit right away. Now, this is something I've done a lot in the past, right? You look at this and you say, well, you know what? It's so close to that last TP, so I might just as well exit right away. And of course, if price just goes straight up to entry again, and I might have my stop loss at entry or somewhere here, I'm obviously going to give back a lot of profits to the market. But usually, what I do is when I have a candle like this, I want to let price develop some, right, and see if I can get some type of low time frame structure where I can move my stop loss to, right? So you have that next 4-hour candle right here, and it's very, very close, man. Like, it's very, very close. But I know that I need to stay disciplined and stay in this trade and wait for that last TP to get hit. Last TP is at a level right here for a reason, right? It's a good reason, and it's a good support if you look at historic price. So really what I wanted to do here is I wanted to stay patient because I've watched my journal, right? And I've seen that on the trades where I'm not patient, on the trades where I actually do exit at market, a lot of times it does come down and hit that target. And when you look at the maybe 100 trades, if you calculate all the trades that I've done that on, exit at market, and then I hit the last TP, the amount of money I would be losing and the percentage of the capital I would be losing over a course of 100 trades is actually quite a lot, right? It could be a matter of being profitable or not. So it's very, very important that you stick to your idea and let those last take profit hit. I mean, it might be like, it's just a couple of percentages, a couple of pips, but that actually does a huge difference down the line. And other than that, I mean, it's very important that you do follow your plans. It's important that you learn to stay disciplined and follow the plans, because the plans are not to be changed during the trades. You make the plan before you enter a trade. During the trade, you stick with the plan. The plan is you're supposed to reevaluate the plan after you exit the trade. So let's look at the 1 hour right here. All right, so what are we seeing on the 1 hour? I have not moved my stop loss yet. Remember, my stop loss is still at entry at this point, right? So I'm looking at the 1 hour. Let's see where this is. So I'm waking up somewhere around here, around 8, right? So around this time, I woke up around this time, right? Around here. So at this point, I decided that I'm now going to move my stop loss above the resistance of this low time frame range, if you will, range highs, range lows, right? Now, the reason why I move my stop loss here is because we have some sort of double bottom here, right? And if it comes up and hits this level again and breaks out, the chances are quite high the price is going to come up and test this level once again. So I might as well put a stop loss in and exit here. Now, if this doesn't happen, I still have a chance of seeing price go lower and hit that last TP to kind of squeeze out the last profits out of this trade. Now, let's look what happened here on gold. Gold went up tried to take out that high, tried to break out, but it didn't, right? You see that one right there? It really tried, had that wick right there. It means there's a lot of selling pressure in here. It really tried to get above that level, right? And then what happened? Boom, straight down, hit that last TP, and we're now trading right here and also almost hit that minus 618. All right, guys, so this is a short video, but the idea here is that you want to, instead of just watching the chart and take an impulsive decision of just, let's just exit right away. You can look at the 1 hour, and this is specifically for people trading on the 4 hour or the daily. You can look at the 1 hour or the 15-minute chart and try to find a pattern or a structure on the lower time frames, and then ask yourself, if this resistance level gets broken to the upside, if chances are high that price continues up here, well, why not just place the stop loss here instead of exiting fully right here? You'll make a little bit more profit, and at the same time, while making more profits, you will learn to stay more disciplined. And if this stop loss gets hit, I mean, there's not a big difference, right? Not a big difference. So one, you're staying patient, you're letting the plan run its course, you're not doing any impulsive decisions. So moving the stop loss in this way is a great way of trying to handle these stresses of, your brain started thinking and about doing those, taking those impulsive decisions, right? So I have a note here on my desktop which says, um, move stop loss instead of exiting at market, right? I never exit a trade at market. There's only two ways for me to exit a trade: at the take profit or at stop loss. And instead of exiting at market, I always move my stop loss closer to current price. All right, guys, take care, and thank you for watching the video.